What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. We have Rochelle and Kay. I go at it, my people. You know the old war where them did have from where they are? The old war start up back, my people. So we're gonna share that with Uno. Seeing also my people, we have the Lion Man. I talk about the party, you know what, him do the official review, no matter who the review and say this and say that, but whichever party the TikTokers them go, a female of the official one, that everybody want to hear, you know what I mean? So we're going to share that with Uno. Also my people, we have Rosealee, you know what I mean? I do her thing same way. I this who forget this. I remember who she take on, I think a TikTok liar. But we are gonna get in at the people. We also have Figure It Out and Diamond. Diamond must go catch Figure It Out and a girl. See? We are gonna share that my people. And what else we have? We didn't even remember. But here we go on. One not here in the intro. Definitely are going in the video. So make we get in at my people.
Yes, sir.
Come at me internet at Jig dog.
Yes.
Where go now?
That's the Bynz one.
Come at me internet at Jig. You hear me dog? Me try to I'm done man. I say, you can't tell you done this man when I come done, clean. I be a wire in night after month of tires and me draw this morning to pussy God. Bad man escape me take the car from town side here come down in a brother, I know me nothing over that. I swear. I didn't I can't steal the pussy car.
Last night what? Hey. Last night me dey on the live, I be a side way car at on.
Bad man dog, oh God almighty. Bad man me tell you. Yeah, Ruby car. How is that? Oh, I next.
Now be a tear,
Dirty Bynz. I just switch over to you.
Yo, Tia. Listen, me see now, you see me.
What you say?
I just want him never love that ball last night, dog. So me not get no pussy, dog. I not get no pussy, that I fuck with.
I just that alone, dog. I just that alone,
dog. But
me wonder if a woman that
some
pussy,
pussy, dog.
fuck too.
Bad man, them a girl come like a dinner on the dog. Or a girl them have them man in the yard wait for it. Then girl already in the youth. I girl them before girl them say for rent out one place and the whole of us go line up. The girl them.
Then already, dog.
I see everything with that.
Yeah, the two man.
No, we are going river tomorrow in the forward.
What do you mean? Which part?
We go use up a bird. We not figure out which part yet, but we go use up a bird and book.
Man, you're going, bro. Yo, what on the dog? I show me now and tell you now I'm going to give me a freaking. That's easy. What you done, my father? Now what you done? You see it? I know one video can leak anything.
The ear on the ear?
You're not that tall.
What you done, my father? What you done?
Try.
You're not tall.
The ear?
Right, put up on the shit, not a lie, I hear that, bad man. So, Bynz, how Africans look? I'm so now look for Africans. Yo, Mr. Dog. Oh, I just remember the boy Jayden. I say, yes, Jayden. I say, dog. Bro, I go cut Jayden a blood clot box last night in the dog. Bynz, you see what going on?
Why
bro, yes, it last night. After I go to boom, I go to boom for me up high. When me up high sitting there with, up high stage, would you know, and end up lift, come down on the stage, you see me? And go on the cabana now, dog. You see me? Because the boop, you know. Because go see Jayden in the cabana and dog. Rascal, this a man the same as though. Because the boop on the cabana, that Mr. Jayden, I try wine for freckles, dog. I say, boy, the dog top fast, you fuck. I say, boy, don't make me cut your bumbo clap box. And just yes, I want him real because he's out Jayden. Move. I say, boy, Jayden, I see you. I should have carried blood clot for beauty. Hey, boy, play with me now. I say that I cut the boy Jayden in a box, but I wonder why boy Jayden so bright in the youth. You see me? But me I say, oh dog, dog.
You should have
Jayden go still, but dog attack. When dog attacks, still me eyes off and say, daddy, remember say, pussy, give me the pussy. You
know, what? No, pussy juice don't put time out and catch you.
You see me dog, not tell that, say, oh, he. Ease off the eat bars. Ease off become a dog. Ease off, you know? The reason for me for a mind. Boy, I want to say dog. Any Jayden, me say any me say any me ever good on that's Jayden now. Me say me cut Jayden a blood clot box night party. Me say, then have to kill me up at town then. Come me up. What if you want for me, girl? What if you do that? Boy. Respect. Yep, time and place. Yo, dog, you know say hold on. You know say just a fall little by little door. You know me car. Watch now. There's a chili still in my bro. Hold on, me go for a back on this car. That's saying it's left now carrying a youth. Dog. Boy, bright. No, no, play party girl. No, bad man, no play. Bad man, no play party girl. I respect my dad. Remember, Jayden is a boy. Love. You are Jayden. You don't know Jayden time with girl already. Yeah? Jayden love you, girl, man. He ex them into the summer, so Jayden. And enough, I tell you about them boy, they know we love group man, girl. Boy, out harder. Yo, Bynz. Someone I ever drive on Bumbo. I don't know what is someone. Yeah, man, big body. Bad man, we are real. Bad man, never cut to me. I know them never link up right now. Okay. Yo, daddy. I remember that. I will bro, you have to give me a little time. I have to take 1 week to talk with that party. I can't hold for things I remember about, you know. You see? Yeah, dog. Then say me live a bitch. Me live a bitch here.
A little bit.
Me live a bitch.
Yeah,
live, but suck out them that suck with the internet. Yo, that's why I'm here today, you. Yo, sing a live more, bro. Don't know, dog. Every time it will be great. The internet always a fuck up, bro. Bumbuckler, Jayden. Stop to send me some gift card. Never send me this guy Bumbuckler party yesterday. You know? I look for a lion. Can't send me a lion.
Me not shape like the average. So you know so me not wear nothing. Me know my stickers half a bad. Me know my stickers half a bad and me stickers half a bad at Jordan. You give me 1 L for put on the same, man. You know how long I take when you know how long I take reach tank, you know how long I take put on the blood clot piece of shoes. You know how long I take put on? I shave me by the skirt off and make I could design it. I she do me here. I cut airport. You know how long I take put on the piece of shoes? You know how long? Because I go for shoes. Because me I say, me go for I think come with more than 1 day, sit down.
People, me not lie still. Me never did too like rosealee skirt with the whole heap of something them on it. Me don't know if for some new fashion a come in, you know, or what. But me never did too like it still. But it matching with everything. You see me? But me just never like the skirt. And she look nice. You see me? I say it's like she know wagga fat and them way there. She look nice. You know what I mean? It look like say she a watch her health, you know, like she a watch her weight and them something there. You know what I mean? Yeah.
It was a wild path chop, but when the person buy it, the man says it's 1 in a million, 1 in an island. It's like every year they make it. Every year they make one, saying I go really see it. Every year they make one, saying I go really see it. Anybody night? Cause every year they make one. I want to see me. I said this nice see. It's a Jordan, but when I put it on, yes so. Give me a complication put. You know what I'm going to put on the blood clot piece of shoes. I know. Well, I know. I get for like Jordan because The Jordan them just light by your foot and it not burn too. It light by your foot, light. When I have it on, it's like an have on your shoes. This one is the blue and this one is the pink. So this one is blue and this one is pink. So this is the sneakers. So when I go again, we can't wait with blue and pink. We never get with the box because the person we carry never carried none of the box. Sorry for blowing my nose. Cool stuff up, this kind of stuff. Last I did nice. So I enter the studio, you know, did and you know. Although appearing still, but the you get him turn out last night was very, very nice. I don't know that people come to see me when I time when the party chat. Me done celebrity. I mean I tell you say last year Swiss was a bombshell, and this year, although the rainfall was the tea. Nah, tell a lie. That's what I know. That's my that party that I want year-to-year event. That party that will be my year-to-year event. Like you know, some people got sting every year. Last year was a tea, and this year was the bombshell. Although the rainfall still, but the people them still stand up in the crowd right through now move. Some people were leaving. When I was there, I saw about 2 or 3 people leaving. But when we reached in a stadium, the car, people was dead there. People turn up in a party. Cause I know me not reach. I'm on my way I go to the party, me hear somebody say to me say, Rose, you to the party? I say no. The people in my way by you, I say me. Then somebody call me again. Yo, June, I say what? You go on one live, you go look over TikTok, I say no. The people the people there at the party, I say me. I'm not keep the party. Trot. It's when I enter the blood clot party. I start get to look, hey, too a little bit, you know, so rain fall out the door. So we take a look at them and we reach at the stage and rain a portion of the girl them want run down for me, but the rain a portion of the girl them I take cover because uno want wait. So I reach on the stage and so say look, when I look at the people on the stage and 2 people look for me so. Arabic look for me so. And so look for this is because I come say Rose. You know that I come say Rose. So Swiss give me the face say Rose. Like you say Rose, you know how the people are by you. He said them say rosealee. As me reach, me just come. Me say you have to enter the blood clot trap because if the people them are waiting on me, and me reach, me have to enter the blood clot trap. So I'm tell the mic and say, trot. Me say, trot. We enter. And the wife walk out and me to shut up. You want to see people want one up a man like me a celebrity. Me say, area is a lifestyle moment. People are actually one up on my hand, me and them. Mr. Last time they are Swiss part of them give one Rihanna settings, one Kim Kardashian settings, one Nicki Minaj settings, one Cardi B attitude in the venue. Mr. Trot, they give me a Kim Kardashian settings, one Cardi B vibes. One kartel something. And I must say this. Rebel Swissley, Mad Love, Lulu, Trot. Yeah, our Lulu and kissing by him draw. Come see me say. Get gal. Me say jobbers, but beat come in here jobbers no chat, you know me can't hate people. Me on no cuss, me on no cuss and avoid, but for me, if you really get up and say me hate people, it's a lie. But only one person on the app here know me that well. Triple out everything. 3 person. I'm thinking of my life would I know me that best. Well, 4 can be for that was tell me it all. Him know me can't hate, me no hate people. Munchie know me can't hate people. Triple know me can't hate people. Toto know me can't hate people. People know Rosalie know me can't hate people. I just can't hate you. Me just so cuss you and distant myself and black and a chat to you, but when it come and say hatred and dislike and the things them, that's not from me, I can't. You understand? I just can't hate people no matter what. Me on no cuss, get from a cuss you and get it off of my take it off of my chest. I can't hate people. Me on no distance you. Far distance and I look by you for years. Me do the long year distance, but me now for me get half of my chest, I done with you. I say, me tell about me. You see, me. You see when me argue, you get argument from me. Tell about me. You see when it's long as you get me an argument from me like. You also something at me and say back away do a back and forth. That means you still have a chance with me. But once you see me go silent, boy, yo, it's finished, me finish. When me finish with somebody, them all know. Yeah. I saw me stay. Once me finish with you, for you hear me go silent, me not look at you. But for you see me will do me will chat you, me will call your name, me will mention you, me will throw my word.
The people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then move on to the next.
But this, as a Gemini, me not done with it yet. Me not finished with it yet as a Gemini, June 12. But once you see me, tap chat to you, now pay no mind. Me see I don't even see you. Me see I turn on my back. You don't even important no more. I just say it done. You understand? But anyway, when we did the park, me enter the street, you know, me have to enter the chat. I tell myself, say, when rain a fall, till it don't fall no more. The amount of water upon the road, me have to enter the chat. Mad Love a Swissley party, I got Mad Love last year, and this year was just the same and even better. Mad Love last year, I'm always said R.I.P. but said, nah, stop say it. The people carry them the day. I know one thing. I mean, I tell you one thing. You see, a real party person, like, you see King Donia? Anyway. Any fucking way. You see, me have to give him it. Me have to give the man them. Thank you, thank you, baby. Me have to give King Donia that. Me can't take it from him. The vibes at the party, the vibes, him not boring. Me not like boring friend. King Donia is a friend where if him live next door and him a gonna say, oh, come now. King Donia, you don't want to live side of Donia. Me can't live in a corporate world, you know. Yeah. Can't live in a corporate world. I'm live in a corporate world. I feel like something wrong with me. Yes, for true. I can't live in a corporate world. I have to live in a world where I have to think about something, disaster, preparedness, act, ODPEM. I can't live in a corporate world. Changes is good. Changes is good, you know. For you to move from one level to the next level, that's great. But for me in a life, me not feel like so I can't live in a one place where my neighbor and I gonna say hello, good morning, hello, good morning, hello, good morning. I believe in a one. You walk one. I just see my finger here. It was a real party cougar. I tell you, man say Rosalie. Rosealee. Candy. No, hey, I'm tell them. No care them want to say. I'm a love people. And I care what them want to say. I want to see me and them. I want to dog them up and them dog me up here. That's what I'm telling you to say. I'm not even not telling the code. Me not telling the code, you know. Come in mix it. Me not telling the code, you know. Come in mix it. Me not mix internet with real life, you know. Me not mix internet with real life, you know. Me not mix, yeah, without there. I saw me there, yeah, me there work. I'm out there. I want different complete me, and that's why the last time when TJ did said it already, but him like cloud. Him is a cloud tracer now. So me left him. TJ said it last year when he saw me at that party. Him come talk. I said no man, but me no look on him. Me no want cabana, and him feel like say me no look on you. Me no have time for that. Me go in the world. For me animal like for me drink a party more party, you know. For you see me drink my liquor, a party more party, you know. And for you see me drink my liquor one party, you know. When me go out and a nice this What you think say me and talk to a friend from me at 13, I know me at 32. And them the vibes them have straight. When we got party and drink, I want me now wine for the girl, yeah. I see ya. And them the vibes them like me not live boring. Me not live boring, me not chat boring, me not keep boring from the fuck boring, me not like boring man. Me not like boring man. Me not like boring man, me not deal with boring man. You have to festive. Somebody have to excite me, you have to have a buzz or a thrill. Me like, you see the feeling of adrenaline.
Not in my bed. You see me go stop up and put up my taboo. And the boy I'm sitting on one corner. With that girl at dig out in his corner. Yeah. Me and Mali sit back open and tell him to call me. I don't talk to you. Boy, I'm not going to taboo. And the army said, dig out in his corner. Just pull out, I don't see my blood. So I go have to stand up. Yeah.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section. So, I see one picture, no, one video of I grew on with Figure It Out. You see me, I say, I don't like my people. They look like they grab on the blood clot, weed, they that lick Figure It Out, bad one at a time, you know. You see me, I say, yo, people, you see money, I want good something for have. Remember me tell you, cause here I go, and yes, when you have money, they say if you feel for steak, you can buy steak. If you feel for chicken, you can buy chicken. You know what I mean? Cause it look like say yo the grabber did I lick the dog, me not lie. The dog glow up me people, big woman thing. So I want to tell more nothing about female and diamond relationship. Saying if you don't feel like say yo I eat or I don't eat. You know what I mean? Cause diamond love him still, you know. And diamond we take care of him everywhere. You see me, and diamond can cook too, and it look like say the dog love diamond for that. So diamond can cook. I remember, you know, I man with him they live, you know. So you don't know man cooking tastes different from a woman cooking we cook with love. Tell me one thing.
Love. Let's go back and dig out taste too. I want to dig out taste too. Dig out taste. I'm sorry, Joe. I want to dig out taste. I still have fear. You saw the boy say I get a dig out taste. Chat. Boy walk over to me and the millions and say, hey, no ramp with me. I swear. Believe me, chat. You don't believe me? I know story. You don't believe me? I said, track the boy, Timmy him come and I go link him. So you know, part of it's a short no reach from call me, so the boy take me gone home. The boy tell me say I got a boy, the boy tell me say I go home. Anyway, I say, alright, I drop the car, I do some and pull up a taboo too. I'm pull up and go some and you know, in a taboo. I'm going to tip in a taboo, so I'm catch me eyes. So the boy, I say, over the corner, we table crowded. It's a girl, I say, I'm bust out, Timmy's drumming up. You know me feel fabulous and hot and we have a pure star walking and I see the book, you know. Well, I didn't seem to have a strip. I got some barbz or ropes. And when they select that, they say something to me. And I one boy from my boss told me, yes, Kana. Shut no show man, wicked. The boy walk over to me at the middle of the dance, come in at the middle of the stuff, I just reach. And come in my face and say, hey. Yes, I say, hey, ramping me, you know. You have to love and feel fabulous. Still, they like me because I'm blessed, but they don't that. Yeah! Me like it still in your boss. Yeah! They'll go ownership something there. They like it. When they come in and play, they go one hard to get. Sweet me too, you know. When you say, hey man, so because of that, they see all. You shape good, you say that kind of things, you know. And say that bright, and say that go tell them, go in over now. And you see a one boy come go meet. Now see the boy walk over stairs, so they make like the party, they make like the dance. Me mean they make nobody else see. I come on face and say, hey, don't rap me, you know. See me, I don't look up cute, no? Sweet, listen. See me, I don't mean I'm feeling still, but I look walk over there and ramp me. I'm buzz out. I don't know they look buzz that time. Buzz me right out. I feel boomy. So I must say, hey, the damn day I know so any easy I must have girl back. I'm listening still. I couldn't do him so. Bust a one malice, wanna say? No, that's bad. Wanna say boss a one malice? And boss a one malice still. Some never teach malice. Boss a one malice planning too. I don't mean no. Boss a one malice planning. I brought him bad. Crazy. So I don't love him, you can't boss one malice. Come on, chap. You can't boss one malice. I still don't love him. So you can't boss a little. If I'm even our malice. Jump over life and have attitude and vex. Me not like how to stay. Come here, tell me what I'm going to think. I'm going to bust a one malice. What the reason me as to? What make you take back yourself? Or what? You take back yourself? Or what? Talk to me now. I think you might go malice, I have to teach my lesson. You know what malice in? I know, tell me some of that taboo. You tell me some of that home. That's why I'm not really malice in. You know, I'm malice in because you know, one niceness over here. I cook some chicken for soup. The piece of pig together now. So, piano. I'll put my chicken foot. Let me have come over here with me. Trap between me and you. Me ain't like that. Grief, man. Away. You see me all your sister here? I see where clean. Which part? No, sir. You can have a nice. You make us all? No, sir. You know, in there. You know, in there, watch the plate now, see just a bunch of and you're going to tell me, say, Trot. Let's see. You want to see? Let me see. You know, I'll change your mind at the last minute. Never did plan to go. No man! But I make too much excuse. Awa! Why do I make so much excuse to this? No woman power there.
Some people want to tell me what they think. We are going to figure it out what your feel side of the story.
Listen, now look for listen. Cause you tell me I got taboo. I'm reaching a taboo, I see one girl a bust out in ears corner. Just one time I see my love. Come on, I'm boy, I think somebody black in traffic, my dear. I lean my head and hold my head straight, so boom, so ropes, barbz, babes. And be a boss bitch and go down and turn a different route. But as soon as I see somebody that bust up back my ears, the boy walk down my face and go, oh, they're ramping me now. Because I've been one night I cram. Here. So don't say one malice, man. That's malice. I mean, tapping eyes between me only, you know. But me say to him, say, man, there's somebody that go to ears. They're the wicked boy, I don't know what's up. Yes, when the boy come, make up dab up the whole I saw. After me just see me too big guy, you know. The boy say nothing no go so. And the make up them time up stiff for the boy shoulder I saw so. So the boy I show. Yeah. The boy was the old panel. Yeah, me dey cook some chicken, you know. The boy I show. The boy was the old panel, me there. Vex, man, me am a listen. Vex, man. When I talk about me not for malice, when you mean me not for malice, then I saw you love him more than me then. So you love him more than me.
Are you sure he said he was going home?
I will. Let me please.
Oh, a fan of yours.
Leave. Lift up, girl. Come on, box. Want a man kick you the boot or something? Hey, girl, that's enough. Come here, me look for you, I'm black here. Pussy, come here. You don't look me to enough. But a man have your shield. Move, leave. Look, hey, man, I look at that and take down that. You don't look me to enough. You said, you don't look me to enough. Hey, girl, I will kick you in your face. Come out of my business. Sure. I will send you. Hey. Right. Tasty, girl.
Malisim me cousin, malisim. Malisim dole. Dole malisim. Dole malisim. Malisim. You don't talk.
Yeah, cousin.
But my baby, yes, when you talk blood class story, come here, big fire. Let me tell you something. When you talk story, talk your part what you do first, and then you talk what figure do after. You know what I'm saying there? Yeah, man. So make people let me know, say, alright then, you know about 3 man that whisper in my ears and my whole conversation over there, and talk the part of the man. You know most of you like you don't know your badness, God. Talk the part of the man. Let me know, say, yo, the boy can catch me 2 different times, you know. You see me? And you see, through me not even know when I whisper in your ears, say. You have to just tell them when I whisper in your ears, say.
Lion, we
wicked boy. Lion wicked boy. But come in the club, come to the girl and dig out your ears card. You understand me, lion boy, you fuck. I'm talk. Me didn't know you there no taboo. Me didn't know you there taboo. Me just come taboo.
So we, me did tell us that me I go home, baby.
Yes.
Me did tell them I say me I go home.
Me say me I go home, Charlie.
That even star, my child. Me never tell us that me I go home, babes. Me never tell you that.
Hey, no, babes, me go babes, you gotta go to his corner. Me not deal with you. Me not look by you. Nah, look.
So I did 3 different man.
Which follow me go bathroom? I'm security. Follow me go bathroom. I'm security.
Security in a plain clothes?
You know, see, I'm a security.
In a plain clothes?
You never been to the security?
It's a big belly boy, I say assist you. When we're there, Swiss party, that's no security. Actually, me not have one next phone if it jam.
Look here now, are you first?
So you change your mouth, boy, me first. It's no.
Look here now, when you get a dig out your ears, can I say,
you see she blood? Hold on there.
I'm biting.
Hold on there. You see what she like? First and security. Now are you first? Make up your mind now.
Alright, here one now. Just go and keep wearing your ears, cause me start me say me not.
First and security, now are you first? Me say, yeah. This is all like she a blood clot tell. Me tell this all like she a tell you know. First and security, now are you first? Cause start me know how the security look. You see me, security I want big belly dog. You see it? One dog got big in her body. She vex, I me fi blood clot vex. I'm if you vex. You see you to a jog around that side there, bro. It's no security. That man the maga like me. And she said maga man a fear time. Remember you know she said it in me. She said on her interview, maga man a fear time. So it means you want maga man dry you away. What you expect? Me come from bathroom, me see one next maga man down in a few years. I don't know where my whisper. I don't know where my talk. Me give you a warning. The first time I see you over there, I make an attempt for bubble power, maga man. Me come over there and I say, oh, don't ramp with me, you know. And I walk with you. Me walk with you. Me not try to broke our vibes. You see me? I just give her one warning. One warning. Don't try to rock her vibes, you know. You know the lady have to enjoy herself, but I give her one warning. She can't tell me even the last time. You jar and me jar and to me not have nothing to say. Me not have nothing to say to her. But me pull her to her and say, oi, what you do? Let go her, walk away again. Never tell us that me I got me yard. You just never ask me. It's a case where every time she reach a nightclub, even when I girl in my working there say, yo, your woman there, you know, wife there. You know them way there? So it's not like say me a party and I know say she there and I see me and go on with some. Me a party, knowing say she there in a club, I watch me from some corner. Hey, watch out now, hold up back here, you see you. I realize with only no matter what a man for ram. A man for ram. She didn't like what you did, but what to me? Me a robot. She didn't like what you did. What to me? What to figure? Figure robot. Me never do nothing first. I want to them people that think like, no, mama, baby. Why you make the people that must have been here something, girl? Come here. You do it. Because she come live, come fuss me. You know, me should have just not go sleep same time and forward live, come fuss her. Yes, it's true, she already fuss me, bro. I don't think me can't convince the people that must say nothing to them, bro. She already forward and tell no fear side of the story, so I'm not really business about my own. She always look good. Definitely. You know, tell her she beat me. But she wear alone last night, man. Me give her props. You see me? And she make that, you know, bro. And the clothes she make better than enough designer when me see in her party. Me I tell you. She go on with herself, man. She go on real good. But she love amazing. No, she said she like the look of body up. Say make him and whisper in her ears just see my body up. That don't make no sense. Besides, don't follow my page, you don't follow my page yet, team. 182,000 we go. See, man, whisper, man, me a forward, man. Watch out, baby. Cook some food for me now, please. Let me invite her and ask her if she can cook some food for me. But baby,
What you say?
you can cook some food for me, please.
Cook some food for everyone.
Turn on the camera when you talk to me, son. Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera when you talk to me, son.
Why?
Turn on your camera when you chat to me, son.
Why?
Where you there?
We dey about my business.
We do.
Don't worry about that.
Where you go home with last night?
What?
Where you go home with last night?
Remember?
Where you go home with last night? Where you go home with last night? Style, pull up on a bag of things. Okay. You hear him pull ups last night?
What?
What make your ear pull up, sir?
Don't worry about that.
Them said the
What?
Where you going last night?
Hey, don't ask me that. You don't come in and know why you go about your business. Don't ask me that.
Me and Stam come our yard. Where you going last night?
You forget something? Me dey on phone with the whole man in dirty man. I try to find Stam phone and me angry, you hear? You forget something?
Oh, me not see when I drive out of a club, no nothing. Like you know, wait till me.
When you see when me drive out, when you have one whole entourage, a girl I go through the door.
What? Me can't stop the girl from follow me?
No, I mean, so what you say then? Where your problem?
Me can't stop a man from follow me.
Well,
But me I say, when you go home?
that is not a question for you to ask from a big woman.
Come on, this now, talk to me. Mary.
Talk to you if you want. I don't even know where you... Sir, listen to me now. Listen to me now. So they are sat there. When I do by yourself, you trust on the inside. I don't all see you here. Me not look on you because all little girl in your ears, the whole of yourself full of makeup. I want to wash your shirt there. Who want to wash your shirt there? Man, I want to wash that, you know.
Yeah, you can't cook some food for me.
Wait up. You never know, say. You remember your personal chef when you get a dig out your ears corner last night. But I think no wax left in all your ears.
Oh my girl, no 2 times I can dry you for a man where I dig out your ears too.
Where? I select a call me, I'm right.
All not a blood class selector. All when me a come in the bathroom, me ear.
Who the man hear the selector?
Because catch you with man a whisper in your ears and me dry you away.
No, I'm telling you, this one is a spite because I see you doing it when I do it back to you.
Are you first?
Oh.
Remember the first time when I come over there, you make attempt for bubble pan man and I can't stop you and tell us if you know what you do.
Which one am I going to bubble pan? Liar.
You don't see Manga you turn up behind you. Eh? Are you first?
No, the selector, they called me, say,
If you get the bubble pan man and I come over there and I say, oh, don't ramp with me. The first time. When as she reach in our club and did a little bit. I'm look across and see her. You have to tell me about me first and you first.
Hey, me come in the club go see with one bag of woman. And by me come a club go see.
Me come in our club with Swiss, Akim, and Jayden them. Me never come in our club with no woman.
Hey, me come in the club come see you. Run the table with me a girl, surround a girl and dig out.
And them surround me and me go in our club with them.
How much miss? How much this? 120 pop. Top your bag already? Much shot.
She never come out on the internet. So now, what are we get bun? If you're gonna sit there and talk about my bun or bun spelled, ain't bun the same way? You all we get bun, whether I get bun in my bedroom, whether I get bun outside of the same bun, or one bun. She literally dip on the live. Last night I get peer scream my car. This girl I say, oh, fimi bun atta.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. It's the urban upon people in a people business again. Hey, them are gonna bring him down wickeder than the last time, you know. Some people, you see relationship and situations enough of the time where people either them always look for the next person and compare for them situation to the next person and say at least this now go on with me. Like at least my man ray, at least my woman ray. Everybody about. That's what I say. So comparing people to your situation only you only try to convince yourself that my situation is not that bad. Yes, I say when it is bad, just like the next man.
Mother take for your bun over can me have screenshot a buzz ban a chat K with other woman. Last year when me come out and say she dash her belly, I'm telling woman that she dash her belly. When me a cuss her and tell she dash her belly, she say a lie. But when Mackerel come bust up, she admits that she dash her belly for true.
Everybody else come about her, she's so calm and collective because she knows Mackerel have the deed spanner for true. She know Mackerel bust up half of what she have going on. She knows that. That's why she's so calm and collective.
I usually have strength for my mom.
I mean, she have strength for too. And then I say I have to protect my energy and my kids and I not really come open my mouth and live with K because anybody know me, I am not a coward girl. I just try to just stay in my lane. I'm not perfect, but I just stay in my lane and do my thing and do the back and forth because of that she want. She want the back and forth and she want to take the eat of what's going on because if your man come to care about, you know, a man tell me say my whole big care about I mean advice now I can play right now where then you come send me much things. I choose me report then here urban, I'm not afraid to talk, everybody know this. Since I report him, make then you can't come on life can say certain things. Make him have to abide the internet with certain things.
As a man, I'm not supposed to. Me like, oh, then you deal with it because as a man, you don't need to come and do no back and forth.
Nothing. You know you cheat on me. You know you do your thing. I come out from class and rub you. Him know him wrong, so that's why he had nothing to say. And him could come and come tell me say I'm sorry. Like when Mr. Guy had bad dog do him woman. Him could come and like come say I'm sorry because what we have a sorry about since you've been apologized on the internet before with the baby. So where you go come tell me say you're sorry again? For now you have to prove that to me. You can't come say you're sorry because sorry won't fix nothing for me. But you come bad on the licking her face so when I see me like no man could have never talked to me so. No man could have never talked to me so.
It can't rub out.
That can't rub out, King.
She beg the man for life yesterday. So the front nobody big. So the front nobody big. So when you the front nobody big, I know him not retract him statement.
I know the man not answer.
Him not retract him statement.
But somebody could have answered and said, B, you know I'm ignorant, I'm angry, you're old down big. You know too me angry. I know the man not answer, but me have strength for me, I have strength for King. And you take up me and then your business by your head. The man of the office say him want you back because him a think say me must deal with a girl where me can't stand her, me need the green card. Remember me go through the green card stage already, you know. Me go through it, so me know at the green card him want make him come back, come say that. But him want back wife. After him deal with it, sir. And the internet is not even a real place because them a go tell you take back your man and 2 2s later them know we still a go get bun. So what you have to say?
No, me want she take him back cause she
you know we still a go get bun, girl.
I want her to take
Sabrina, I'm sorry, but me can't too much now. Everybody, you know much video me see everybody I say, then I saw you deal with your wife. And you not say nothing about that, but me, Rochelle, where you tell lie for me. You heard a scream record and you run with it, say my daughter hungry. I've never yet once said my daughter hungry. Never. Anyway, you deal with me, I was pregnant, girl. Like, what kind of woman power you have?
Anyway, just that's it.
I'm afraid of no girl. Me don't afraid of K. I true, I have my people them and I have my kids them I try protect them energy without I do the back and forth. Cause me make my content them. I'm gonna go. Me not click no life in no girl with me ear.
And she want to come back.
She wants to come back.
Hungry. She broke. She want to come back.
She want to take the eat. She want come class me. Take the eat off her with. Wait, 10 come tell a girl care about. What 10 come tell her, so what if that device not there and how him deal with you, cannot rub out. Man can never have respect for you and come deal with us up in life, talk to you like a friend.
And say, oh, we shut her, bad dog, and that make them panty wet.
Me bust up your face with my gun, like what? I saw man deal with your wife?
You must them actually beat her for chewing them, actually put the man span her. Yeah.
The amount of time you married, you know you was not a wife. Wife not supposed to marry so much time. Use a wife to, give our help. Use a wife that helps people. And that the type of wife they be. Don't come about me. Then here, we's not perfect. We never have a perfect relationship. Nobody not have a perfect relationship. And then you're doing things them, and him, I'll know me, I look in and open him out. And him take me a voice note right now. Then you say, Rochelle, this is why I never come out from open my mouth, boy. Yeah.
Rochelle?
Yeah.
Come, girl.
All right. Yeah, church tomorrow. Right over church we go after with this girl brawling. Me stop make girl feel like so them can walk for me. Hello? Later, yeah?
Alright, later. Me shouldn't add that person there now. Where you contact Rochelle Alpha. What? Tierra. Miss Tierra, I see you. Like, me don't know if me see you in the box or what. I don't know. Yes.
Good.
But you want to block the person.
Miss say she let the black car. She too outside and come off. The one that come off.
I think that's her mom.
No. Her mother named Carriana.
No, that's her mom. Not a Rochelle clothing line that waffle tap it by Rochelle.
The person will come on is that her mommy. Her mommy named Carrian. Her mommy have her own page.
Oh. Yeah,
and her mother.
About this now.
What? Let me tell you, Rochelle any day over that day. Bust up, body.
Rochelle. Rochelle before she go with Rochelle. No girl with your fix bully for your body. You shape all right because them bust up and look good in front of man naked. No make them bully you for go to your body, girl. Let them do it. When them take off them clothes, them no look good. Me say me go for my kids, I'm here in a one G-string. Me say in a one part, L shot, she feel real bad.
Let me add to that Tiara to Rochelle. Let me say to Rochelle today. Rochelle, at the end of the day, a baby make you stay any way you want to stay and be proud of it because no girl can come and talk about say, oh, a baby make them look so. And knife them gone and them still can't fix. Make them go on about them business. Them love pushing people under knife. Just like our marriage them. You know, see how much time she married? She can't give no marriage advice. She can't give me or nobody no marriage advice because of 4 times she married and none of them no work out. And Rochelle, right? Which man could have come on the internet come disgrace her the way or she disgrace fear man disgrace her and come back come on internet and come bigger come brawling? Me would have prefer take the situationship where Rochelle in her, where our man come and him do him do, we don't know behind closed door if them a work it out or not. Any day, anytime over him a come love bomb the woman on the internet. Like what? And then people come talk about, yes, take back your man. People can't dumb so. Let's see ya. Don't know who for frightened.
I forgot the body shaming part. But she come and talk about the body. Them want everybody for go fuck up them body.
Right.
Everybody because them go and them go fuck up for themselves. Them want everybody else.
Them want joining at the club. Even the biggest of the biggest I take out them BBL. Whether one name Black China or whatever she want name, take out fear BBL.
Reverse the damage.
Hey, my people. Okay, I go come for the little one when name Urban again, you see. Just watch. Rochelle, prepare for your attack raps. You see me I say? So we have a ear from K2, you know, people. So we can watch some of this.
Come on.
Everybody are reserved with like 3-4 times under knife and still stay, but just pray.
Pray with somebody if your body didn't
sit up her life one day and her belly in her lap. And me not fat shame like I'm gonna say I'm a fat girl. But me I say if you go suck out your belly how much time? Why is your belly still on your thigh? Why your belly still in your lap? Just pray where I'm.
Yes, Rochelle, I make him stay off the internet and do him a do.
I come and talk about the body. Them want no fuck up on nobody too, guys. Don't go do it. Them want to have that ugly idiots lying and then I forgot mark up it with one wally tattoo and them something there.
And the navel string where
yam and I feed the fat down so just broad. And the body still not big. Miss when she a cuss and she turn around, she just broad like a myself here. No look a plump. She never did a feed the fat. She never did a wear her.
No, but you know, see her.
Don't let them
describe that. The hip and the whatever then are the same. Shape like any stewy head. She shape like a stewy head.
No, me not like to do the body shaping because we all have flaws.
No, but it's the truth.
Perfect. See me and them, you're big and saggy.
I mean, big and fat after 4 pitney, but me not afraid to talk. I mean, I'm going to know knife. Me rather person call me fat than call me bust up. Real talk. Yeah, me did a skinny person before pitney, but that 150.
Them influence enough for God don't know.
Me rather scared my pitney, my fat when my pitney them give me, and then me never get fat. Out of that. And when me feel lose the weight, God will make me lose the weight. Me a breastfeed, so right now the weight hard to lose.
Guys, move on yourself because hi.
Move for yourself. Exactly, natural is the way to go. You know, must make it out of a knife, yeah?
Yeah, we are body
shape. What woman body shape like?
When we're you don't know Mama. I saw the girl hip look. I still need to start call her. No.
Yo. Yeah, drive. I'm say. But carry the comment here, but we have to join this kind of conversation here.
I'm who notices how they always have money to go do surgery.
It burn me. Me rather any day name the girl call me fat other than call me bust up because guess what my they make me fat.
No, but when you're fat, you can lose weight. When you're bust up,
exactly.
Listen, you know. Let me tell you the deal with it, you know.
The urban
girl, you know, say this is just how you is. You're not try, but when a girl go try 1, 2, 3 times and still unfixable, that makes me worse. Because me not try, me not do as much as what you are.
Unfixable.
So you compare yourself to me. Me tell you something that make me and you go pay how much money, go waste so much doctor time.
No, but me just see a screen recording a while ago. Me just see a screen recording. But you know a screen recording chop it up. But me gonna stop what me say. When she say how we all know the Russian shape bad. If the girl shape bad, she accept.
No, but she
Russian
shape bad.
But what I know.
You want to say Rochelle shape bad with what? Being natural? What she shape bad with? She got the knife and still shape bad.
More people to understand this. You live a foreign surgery not hard to do. It's I think if Rochelle wanted to do surgery and she never have the cash, she couldn't go take out care credit.
No, but her man in the army.
Look how much time they come to
the army.
Look how much time money for the surgery. Every minute
you like when
money for the this, money for the that, but you can find money for the surgery.
Here's when woman will do surgery, can't try body shape and next girl will do the surgery. Because anybody will want the surgery can do surgery. Especially if you live a farm.
Rochelle, the well on there, Rochelle. Exactly. If you want to, you can, and you choose not to, and stay that same way. Stay that same way, because guess what? Not everybody lucky if you come back from underneath the knife here, and I mean nobody.
And one time they go to surgery. Under the good, they not come back from under the good.
And some of them not come back none at all. So stay the way you stay. If you're happy in yourself, and your self-esteem is good, you stay same way. Nobody bully you. We go under knife.
But think of me alone did see it. They come back this
can't understand it.
she big and spread way like
My
big
baby
and
said that woman
spread right away.
My belly supposed to big enough because we never go suck it out. But what is your excuse? Just suck it out.
No, but
Exactly.
them like them just get surgery and now maintain. This and never go with and never go with and never go with. She big and spread for true, man. Me not lie.
No, they see the wall in a shape. She shaped like a box. And you know the football, the American football, that's how she's shaped like Stewie Ed.
And I don't know anything about surgery because I've never had it done, but you see the surgery and your body still flat, you try to get body, your body still flat all the time.
No,
your body dead all the time.
This is my thing. How dare you?
We share with the people them time.
Natural girls are tea because guess what? The man them now left the natural girl them to on the dolly up. Me sorry, but I true them we come.
How dare you as a woman? You never comfortable with yourself. You go to surgery. You want body shame somebody else. How dare you? How dare you?
Exactly.
If she did natural, then more than understand
anybody because you're not even rocking your real body.
You're not comfortable with yourself. So how you feel body shape somebody said them to go say them shape body.
Exactly. No, but she gonna say she did shape good before she got to her body. So she everything
after either.
She never shaped good. She never.
Me see one all time picture with her. Me said this too bad. I don't know she should have stay away wherever she did there. She should have come for me there. Sorry.
I'm this morning so we can stay away from the cause my God.
No, me say Renee, it hot me to them man. Like
never when I not come for Urban, come for Avatar.
Yes.
One of the blame tonight.
Wait now but my back broad, my back very broad.
They don't hit me already.
So be it. And no girl whether them body can come argue with me.
Oh, God.
No girl whether them body 3 times and still look like an American football can't come for me.
Rochelle, she have strength for me.
From what day me I see it and me I say okay, maybe she try to take the heat off her. It look like she try to take the heat off her.
Mr. Somebody say true, she get back her man, that's why she go on so.
No, but listen, that is no man to get back.
No, can you imagine your husband I call you bad dog? One me see that one comment this me see that one comment this mother say, oh he's upset. Just when my husband upset, you know him call me? Renee. Renee, it's that simple.
It's that simple. Renee, we get ignore.
It's that simple. When my husband
hey, when I did a testing when you argue somebody ignore you,
your wife bad dog. You crazy?
Yeah, listen, them people don't understand.
We shoot you when we see you.
No, sir.
Now you make
well, on the tiara before you saw you, say,
every girl and give them your
one of the hottest things a man can do.
You said the woman sit down and blush like she in high school.
Wanna tell me if me wrong? One of the hottest things a man can do to you when you argue and he not answer you.
No.
One of the hottest things.
Because when me argue and he not answer me, what done as a man is stay the fuck off of the internet. I know me not
exactly.
When he come and come into the fucking whole gimmicks and foolishness. You say,
thank you.
Stay off of it. Can now look at this. You're coming at the world.
When a woman page at that, you know, see one woman page, me or somebody say call the name, I forgot the name.
No,
Marsha, you know Marsha Stacy. I saw it.
No, when him ask the business upon one woman page in the company.
Yes, so one woman page, so me know say no your woman page you depend you come and contact me for woman page.
Me say the lady wanna see how she said the man when he say when him the outer road, be careful when me talk to my daughter there. When in the outer road, how when he come or he just want to go home, and the woman still got blush like she in high school.
She did say, how is it that I bring down your baby when all I said to you was, Rochelle, do not give the people them anything for talk. Because I saw a video with you when I was in the airport and the baby was crying and you said that the baby was hungry. But what the baby eats is not here. It's not a case where you say you didn't have food. I never said that. You said it. So what? Sugar crying now, coming out have nothing to give her to eat. And some
people, me not lie, me never see Rochelle in a real life, and me never see Kay in a real life. But my preference would have be Rochelle. So I say big woman thing. Rochelle look more refined certain way. Kay look like a bad girl. I can't manage a bad girl, the big woman thing. So make watch some more people.
Somebody say, oh, you don't have nothing to give the baby to eat. And you say, what the baby eat I don't have at the house right now. And our father now give me nothing. That's exactly what you said, and you said it more than one time. All I did was repeated what you said. And what I added to it, I said, Rochelle, do not talk like that for the life. Because them see when I go run with it and say, oh, you say your baby hungry. Don't give them that for talk. And you twist that shit. And you lie on me. And you tell the people them say your baby hungry. Remember, if you can watch back every fucking screen recorded from that day, my argument not change up to this day. So that alone for sure is a lie me I tell bro. My argument not change. Me not say nothing different every time I bring up back a conversation, yeah. Make the people them grab me and drag me and say you want pregnant woman. You made me and my friends because Jamila said she cannot understand why I cannot let it go. And me and Jamila were about 300 times feet and Shan. I'm saying una nah get it. Una nah get it. She when blood clot the woman go to her and say Kay did not say that. She said I don't care. Remember controversy said me have to make me money. When the people them say them go over her page, go tell her me an ugly mackerel up on the blood clot screen. Me said my people them go say, tell Rochelle said don't cuss me because I never said nothing bad about her pitney. The night I sent my people and people came over your live and said, Kay never said that, Kay never said that, Kay never said that. When them come over they come tell us me a class your baby. You're not even in cuss me upon the live because enough people came in your comment section and all of my people came in your comment section. And you never cuss the night. You never cuss the night. Me say the same night say, go over there go tell Rochelle say, don't follow them because I never class her baby. I mean I never do that because I know me not do pitney. Me say don't give the people them that to say about your kids. You never argue the night. And when you argue, the next day when you come off alive, you just go up, you go just sleep and wake up and say, I'm not even like Kay like that. Mama just go bring her down. And Rochelle just wake up with one different devil. And you just start say, why Kay would have said that? And you start all ball. You see me see your ball for me, Rochelle? Rochelle, I want thing my baby father, my first baby father ever tell me, say, don't make no bumper clap body ball for you. You know when you get me really angry, Rochelle, when you start talking, you know a lie you tell for me, no girl, and you start balling, a girl, and a ball for me, no. I make everybody there on, oh God, Kay, wickedy. I ball, you go ball for me, and I one thing me no do, me no. No bumper clock, girl, put no tears for me. People tears are the wickedest thing you could have made. You say me see a ball for me, girl? Me get cross and hate you. I ball you go ball for me TikTok, me hate you, brother. I ball when you ball for me. You know ball for blood clot when I lie and tell for me. I can't go ball for your big pussy self. Like on my pussy book. I pussy the ball for your small pussy self. Cause me just want a big pussy by myself. Go ball for your small pussy self. Don't ball for blood clot me. Go ball for ding with fucking your mother bed. Don't ball for me. I can let out the alligator blood clot tears for me after you know money you have to do it for. So forever and ever and ever and ever till me get over it, me I go always feel like this. Me hate blood clot Rochelle cause she tell lie for me and me not upset. Me hate her more than mackerel. And look at mackerel release for me. So the note said this bun me. Me hate her more than mackerel for true. If we have a situation I'm going to see a Rochelle or mackerel, me see a blood clot mackerel and kill her after. But me hate her more than mackerel. Cause what she do me and tell lie for me, bro. It's that bad, brother. I don't know me hate blood clot stinking mackerel. Cause mackerel is a traitor. Mackerel is the biggest too. New name for Judas, a mackerel. So don't tell me for rest. And don't tell me for behave. Cause now boy like some people not tell life for you know. video with you know, and go do it for free. I'm too broke for that right now. So if I go stay up on my status, I have to go screen record it. If me I tell you true, man, I send a video from here. Send $150 over PayPal. I send me I sell the video there, me and Jayden and the whole on the video. You see it, my bro? Alright. A bad dog I talk to you. I can't give him video. I can't give him for true for free just and my blood clot. No. But we said video come bright. One bad dog. Stacey. Yeah, bad dog I talk him for true. We don't got no raw truth boss different from bad dog and K and the things them. Yeah, with my money me I deal with me a bad dog. When me I deal with bad this me a bad dog right now. When my old big me is a bad dog. Me is a bad dog big old girl. No, for true.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
Well, I say anyone must swing the ear, me nice. Anyone must swing that ear, yeah, me nice, no blood clot. God must take a time for myself, AK, yeah, one nice blood clot, you know. But the body more load and everything, but it's not a fucking ear. I have a nice piece again. I know what you want, okay? You just need a boy to come spend real money for you and put in a teacher care you work. They just do what the money for him, but don't give too much, you know. That's okay. Listen to what me and tell you, second. Look for your boy. You know say nice? You know say fucking nice girl? Oh, we not so good. All of them can't so good girl. They still have one nice girl. Not take nothing from you. All of them old big one boy always want fuck your girl. All you want girl right now is a boy who go spend a real money for you and make your business get bigger. That's all they need, girl. Nobody tell a different girl. Play a little good girl. Okay, pick up yourself. Come on, come alive, okay? You're doing too much. Yeah, sometimes you have to do that with something. Yeah. When I talk to myself, so you know, talk to myself all the time. Guys, please follow the page, yeah. Please follow the page, yeah, guys. Please follow the business page. Now when the stuff them come up, but then that's about one right there. So, I'm pretty far anytime. Pretty big. I'm not after them and all that. No man stays load up, guys. But 6 now, 6 cents back to any alarm, yes, no disrespect. You know what's alarm 50 cents back? Watch ya. Alarm 50 years. Alarm 50 years. It's all that I hear. Come on, look. That's the video. What's it? What's it? Hey, come here. Yeah, keep me sitting in one view.
Rosealee. We are going to talk about Rosealee now. Did y'all know that? I'm gonna tell you what me I go say. It's the one thing with Rosealee. Rosealee full of confidence, and that a beat well on when I like her. You see, uno girl with shape good, and uno girl with no shape good. You see, Rosealee confident. You see, Rosealee confidence. It make Rosealee a top of girl for uno. Cause when Rosealee shape bad, or she this malfunction or whatever we want to say, Rosealee confidence makes she feel like a thick girl, like a shape good girl. Yes, when it come on to confidence, you can't have that over Rosealee. And no matter what you say, even me, no matter what you say, that now go about Rosealee, because in a Rosealee mind, Rosealee confident up, you see it, up the top a notch, you see it. And Rosealee confident make you go feel like she have a big body hole and a big thigh, small waist and a cute face. That's one thing me like about Rosealee. That's one thing me like about Rosealee. And no can't take that from her. You see it? Rosealee dress, let me tell you. Rosealee dress how she see fit with her. Rosealee know say tights now go work for her. Rosealee know say the look naked thing now go work for her. So Rose dress according to her body type. And nothing is wrong with that. You know why nothing is wrong with that? Because I would do the same fucking thing. And I'm a very big hypocrite. Me tell Rosealee her the truth, but when me see her in person, I get a fat ogre. Rosealee smell good. Rosealee thick. Rosealee beautiful. Rosealee body big. Mr. Derek and Derek did I beg me 5 grand, I me give him 10 grand. Derek think. Derek think no blood clot. Derek is a thinking Batman. Derek think you fuck. Me see him. Yeah, me see him. What do you mean when me take and see him? No, me eye. Me see him, man. Me see him. But Derek think, man. Derek think. Yeah, man. Derek think for sure. Like, for real. Yeah. Who else? Who they could have killed a man? You see, that boot they did bigger, you know, they did trampoline. You hear me, them trampoline there, you know. That boot they could have rock world, man. You see it. And the final moment is here. Roll call. Jayden. This person was the dress best at this party. This person did clean. This person is husband material. This person...
People, I want to listen out for here. I want to listen out for Derek. I come back for this boy. Here.
No, I'm not put up a picture. This person was the very best. This person never smell think. This person have on real chains. You see, anytime this person go out, the girl them always faint and drop down. The girl them love that man ya. The girl them dying for see that man ya. Anytime him go out, the girl them just drag off him pants and start suck off him hood and him balls. This person is a real niche in real life. This person own several cars. This person always the talk about person. This person nyam pum pum. This person, when he see girls that he like, his tongue gets stiff. This person grow ear upon him tongue. This person mouth ever nice. No other than Jayden. Alright, ladies, you can't done now. You can't cool, man. You can't, just cool, man. Just cool. Just cool, ladies. Just cool. I mean that, man. I mean. Oh God, man. Just ladies, just cool, man. Just cool, ladies. You see, just cool, man. You see what I say? Just cool. Can't be going to something now. Too serious, bro.
No, Jayden, you have to listen. What? Remember, I said the people them already have certain things for me name, you know, Jayden. You have to listen.
Don't pretty it up.
And at the end of the day, I have feelings, Jayden.
Don't pretty it up, D. Don't pretty it up.
Every joke you have to run, brother.
Don't pretty it up, D. I pretty it up.
When you go come over here, talk about you see me and Bynz and this. What you think the people them gonna say?
But remember, you know. Remember Top Bank starting live, you know, and you show up a face in there, you know. So everybody don't know, say over there they already, you know, bro.
No, Bynz was not there.
That's not the case.
Bynz was not there.
That's not the case, Jayden. What she's saying is that, what I just said, I gotta tell you.
Come on now, talk to you, know.
I'm in the under the cover now with everybody. That's different from you saying, you see me and him. You say, what you said was, you see me and Bynz disappear for a long time. And I say,
listen to me. Listen what I heard. Listen,
you don't see me a blood clot Bynz disappear. You don't see me a Bynz.
Listen what I see. I'm Mrs. Use that woman. Mrs. Use that woman will love blood clot teddy bear. Me see it. Me see you and Bynz that was last night. I'm so now.
Remember the man that big out your blood clot choke last night. Remember man that dry up. Remember man fucking in your body and fucking in your throat last night. Remember time me saw you watch man them and dig out your big stinking body or body man. Remember time dig your blood clot condom last night. Don't be Jayden protect your coming out there and fuck the man. You're not gonna come over here and turn the pussy around that like a blood clot here.
You understand? I see what I see. If I run it in any type of way, I'm very
sorry. Remember last night you come in like a big jeep and you want 3 man in a 8. I'm man in your front seat last night, so you can't come over here and come talk about nobody. Because if I'm gonna ride, you would have ride your front seat last night. I'm M-A-N. I am a M-A blood clot and you're not gonna come mix up me over your pussy clot. It's not gonna work. I mix up.
TJ,
you're right.
TJ, Jayden, I give impression like say Bynz go fuck the girl.
And that's what I give the impression of. And before him don't apologize.
In the real, all him say, yo, on the walkway together. That's why he never said nobody no for. The truth.
He said Bynz lift up his skirt. He said Bynz lift up his skirt.
You got a party, TJ.
No, that's hold on. I already take your side there.
What did I tell people say?
No, I understand what you said.
TJ, nobody know why you take this side, because you're biggest hypocrite over blood clot, so nobody know really why you take this side.
Jabaz, you have to understand the people.
TJ, let me tell you, you're the only person when you go party, you upside party like you don't know about the party.
We know that Jayden are
you're the only person when you go party, you know about the
TJ can't say that, TJ. Because him think, listen to me, you don't understand, bro. No people from the media go think a joke, you know, TJ. But you
see when Jayden
said 12,000 people on Jayden live when Jayden attack, you know. You think 12,000 of them go think a fucking joke, be honest.
Them are going to Jayden. If
they are not going to think it's a joke. A call me get youth. Me get a call. And I say, our kind of style this wagwan, rare. Me no want nobody to fucking like on me.
I'm D, yes, when I ask so, you go look like a fuck with you, you know, darling.
Here I know.
What does I say?
Well, Jayden, let me tell you this. At the end of the day, I am clearing my name.
Nothing to say about
anything you want to say, you can't
all right, I'm sorry.
Just apologize. Every time you give a review, somebody want to cuss, you know.
That is the problem.
I cannot apologize when I don't do it.
Come, I'm going to walk with my book, and I'm going to write down everything with my blood classes, so I'm not forget it.
Yes, so next time when you ask me, you see good and turn the light on me. When you ask me next time, you see good. See blood clot good and turn a fucking light on me.
Alright, let me ask you something. Wasn't you only the person's hand?
Let me tell you something, Jayden. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, Jayden. Let me tell you blood clot something, Jayden. You see anything you see me the last night are the same thing you do, but not with a woman, with a man. Just hold that.
But if that...
Me say me don't talk to you, Jabba, if you have to come, me don't talk to him. Because this Batman come over here to try and mix me up.
Because you and me know that you and me know that not about me when you talk about me, there is man or whatever you want. That not about me, darling. A long time me know. So that not about me, what you say. Because you never see me that man yet.
Me see with man last night. I saw with man last night. A man for your front seat last night. Tell the people them say one man for your front seat and two in the back. Tell the people them say one man for your front seat and two in the back.
You see?
Tell the people them say one man for your front seat and two in the back. And that me see with last night. Guilty of what? Guilty of what? Guilty of what? Guilty of what? That's why you mute me. So if you not about it, why you mute me? If you don't understand not about it, why you mute me then? Unmute me then. Unmute me, I could go tit for tit and tat for tat. Why the fuck you mute me then? Since that's not when me say now about you, what do you mute for?
Because I want to get out my word out there.
You have no word to get out. You always come up here and try to make people disrespect people and bring down people, Jayden. And when you're going to business to that one, whenever you come over here, come bring it down. You sick stomach like that, but I like your style, youth. Me not play no match with that boy there. Him too sick stomach, I lie.
Alright. What can I lie, me tell thee? Me see you walking with a man. Me don't see no
that is stinking damn shit boy. You see me walk with no man.
Tap the life on the woman, Jayden. Tap the life on the woman.
Me don't see. Alright, if you hold it, I better tell you if you hold it down.
Hold on what? What's there to hold down?
Tap the life on the woman, Jayden.
You see, I don't know. But we can't take Jayden serious because we know it's serious. But no, nobody take it seriously. True. I'm not telling anybody else, but that's because she get a call.
You're always over here. Here you know. I don't think it's that serious.
I'm just a
get a call like he's all this innocent guy who doesn't do mix up or he doesn't do
crap. If you them papers, we can't cry peace one day.
War. But like when Dee angle him, I tell him say Dee say he get condom from him last night to go take hold.
What?
Adi so.
So Dee get condom from me?
No, you get it from she.
But slime nobody there. So that's a lie.
Yo.
Let's so guilty, Jayden.
No, Jabas, we see where I try. You try. Me know where I try now. Same thing.
Look here, I try. Support the woman. I try.
No, you try, Jabas. But in our work.
But me tell you, go. Me tell you if you don't say so. Move first and go. That's so. Allow him alone. Remember me tell you from Dee before you know say Dee come live.
Jabas, remember me tell you that.
Apologize to the girl, man. Because she got vexed, dog.
But TJ, you remember that thing?
TJ, me good man. My feelings not really valid, you know. My feelings don't matter. It's alright. Him tell the people them say him see me go with Bynz. People are calling on my phone say me a TikTok mockers, me go fuck Bynz. Make you stay away there. Everything good.
TJ.
Everything good.
TJ.
Yeah.
You never met Jayden say.
That's why I'm telling you see me now. Me not mix up with people youth. That's why I'm hold my own. I should have know better. Because you see, every time I go around Jayden them, my life just go down a blood clot spiral every fucking time. I should have know better. But I didn't know better. Honestly, I'm gonna say it is a joke. While there are people in my life, in real life, I take it serious.
Hey, my people, you see this a lion boy, he mix up bad, you know. Bad. So I say, make the people them go have sex man and enjoy themselves. Why you have to get on the media? Them give him a big stone and there, I see. People make watch some more and then we are going to end it.
Firstly, and you have to understand at the end of the day, say people feelings matter. Remember good now, a whole heap of other woman the day at the party, why never call up for them name? Remember say a top banks me travel with. One night time me have a top bank shirt and one boy, I don't know if from nowhere come wine for me and me try ease off a boy and top bank say, oi! No do that, man, no do that. Leave her alone. And then top bank say, if you ever wine for the boy and my shirt, me that back say down and top bank say, come give me a dance and me give top bank say that. Why you never run with that? Why am I gonna say he see me go with Bynz?